This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Welcome home to .this 3-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan is like no other you've seen, located in 55+ community of Royal Harbor. Owners have taken meticulous care of this home. Kitchen has stylish beadboard cabinetry with pull-out shelves for easy access, gas stove for the cook in the family, a nice-sized pantry to keep yourself organized and eat in space in kitchen. Living room looks beautiful with laminate flooring, 2 fans for comfort and a nice view to the spacious lanai. Master bedroom is private at the back of the house and offers lots of natural lighting. Ensuite for this room has dual sinks with Corian counters, garden tub with a separate shower. The home includes 2 additional bedrooms and guest bath are at the front of the home. Spacious screened lanai has roll-up sun/privacy shades. Lastly, the landscaping is easy care with curbing and a separate irrigation meter. Located in Royal Harbor, a sought-after 55 and better active community on the shores of Little Lake Harris, with lush tropical landscaping, walking and biking paths, a dock for fishing or relaxing, picnic pavilion, clubhouse, pool, tennis, and pickleball courts, and activities galore. This community has something for everyone. This is a home not to miss. Come and see today. For more information, review the details below.